In this video, we will explain in detail the operation process of the integrated tube straightening, cutting, and bending machine. This machine integrates multiple functions and can efficiently complete the straightening, cutting, and bending of tubes. This machine can greatly improve production efficiency while ensuring product quality. First of all, you can see that this machine is equipped with a foot switch, which controls the operation of the entire machine, making the entire operation process more convenient and quick. Next, we start with the decoiler. The operator needs to place the tube on the decoiler, making sure the tube is in the correct position, and the machine will automatically unwind the coil and prepare for subsequent processing so that the subsequent straightening process can proceed smoothly. The next step is straightening. Start the straightening device and adjust the relevant parameters to ensure that the pipe can be effectively straightened when passing through the straightening roller. The pipe passes through the straightening machine to correct the shape to ensure that each pipe can reach the standard size. At this time, the operator needs to pay attention to the status of the pipe to ensure that it achieves the expected effect. After straightening, the cutting process begins. By setting the cutting length and starting the cutting device, the pipe is cut to the required length accurately. The cutting process is fast and precise, ensuring that every pipe meets our high standards. After cutting, the pipe is automatically fed into the flip loading rack. The function of the flip loading rack is to flip the cut pipe to the appropriate angle and direction for subsequent pipe end alignment. The machine then automatically aligns the ends of the tubes without the need for human intervention, ensuring that each tube enters the rotating disc accurately. Next, use the rotating disc to rotate the tube to facilitate the subsequent feeding and bending operations. Ensure that the rotating disc runs smoothly to avoid the tube from getting stuck during the rotation process. In the feeding process, start the feeding device and feed the pipe into the bending machine. The machine can bend the pipe into various shapes. The operator needs to select the bending angle and radius according to the specifications and bending requirements of the pipe, adjust the parameters of the bending machine, start the bending function, and the machine will automatically complete the bending operation. Please pay attention to the bending process to ensure that the bending quality of the pipe meets the standards. After bending is completed, the auxiliary pipe return device will help to send out the bent pipe to ensure the continuity and efficiency of the operation. I hope this video can help you better understand and operate the machine. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.